Sarah was known for her love of animals. Her friends, knowing her passion, gifted her a beautiful parrot for her birthday. This parrot, however, had a dark sense of humor. It repeated phrases like, "I know what you did," and "You can't hide forever." Sarah laughed it off at first, but the parrot's statements became eerily specific, mentioning things no one else should know. One night, Sarah followed the parrot's clues to the attic and discovered a hidden box. Inside were old letters and photographs revealing her family's dark secrets. As she stood there in shock, the parrot perched on her shoulder and whispered, "Welcome to the family.